Now to find out the value of the third set of variables, 17 apples, 25 bananas, and 27 mangoes, can only be possible if this set of variables is linearly dependent on the first two equations. Okay, so we will check it and we'll see if it is valid or not, and we'll find out the answer if it is possible. Now, since you cannot see cannot be determined among the options, that means it is definitely possible. So, in this case, just by looking at the options, I can say that the third set of variables is linearly dependent on the first two set of variables. Okay. Now, what will be the value? This can be calculated only by making the equations. Okay. So first of all, let us make these two equations and we'll write the third set of variables as well. So cost of 3 apples, 5 bananas and 8 mangoes. So each apple, banana and mango costs rupees A, B and C. So the total cost is 121, and the cost of 5 apples, 7 bananas and 6 mangoes is equal to 175 rupees. All right. Now we have to find out the cost of 17 apples, 25 bananas, and 27 mangoes. This is what we have to find out. Okay. So I'll assume that the first equation when multiplied by m and second equation when multiplied by n will result in the third equation. Okay. Now using this, I will make two equations by comparing the coefficients of A and B. And these two equations will be in terms of M and N. So M multiplied by 3 plus N multiplied by 5 is equal to 17. So let us write these equations. So 3M plus 5N is equal to 17. And the second equation, 5M plus 7n is equal to 25. Now I'll solve these two equations for the values of m and n. We'll cross check it for the third set of variable, okay, which is not required in this case. I'll make a small change. So यहाँ पे mango में m लिख दिया था मैंने. I've written m for mangoes. It should be c. Okay. So I'll simplify these two equations. I'll get the values of m and n. We'll check it for the third set of variable. Okay. For the third coefficient, right? In this case, it is not required because we know that the answer is finite. Okay. But still, I'll check it for you and then we'll apply to find out the value of the third set of variable. So let's have a look at it. So first of all, I'm solving these two equations for the values of m and n. So multiplied by 5, multiplied by 3. So 25 minus 21, that is 4n is equal to 85 minus 75, that is 10. So the value of n comes out to be 5 upon 2. Now substituting the value of n in any of these equations, I'll get the value of n. Okay. So 17 minus 25 by 2, that is 9 by 2, 3 by 2. So the value of n will be 3 by 2, right? Now, look at the coefficients of C. So 8 into m plus 6n, right? Let's calculate its value. So 24 upon 2, 12 plus 15, it is giving me 27. So which matches with this. Okay. So this is an indication that now the coefficient, these values m and n can be applied to calculate the right hand side of the equation. Okay. So the value of 17a, 25b and 27c, its value will be 121m plus 175n. So that is 121 multiplied by 3 by 2 plus 175 multiplied by 5 by 2. So that is 363 upon 2 plus 500, 875 divided by 2. That comes out to be 1238 divided by 2, which is 619. So 619 will be the value of the third set of variables, and that is among the options. Correct answer is option B, right? So though the solution is slightly lengthy, but There is no complexity at all. You just have to follow the procedure and get the answer. Okay.